I'm here with the Cessna Turbo SKYLANE JTA. The thing about this airplane is it really, for the customer, it takes the whole conversation about 100 low lead and the future of that out of the conversation, not just for your uses or your purchase, but also come resale time, because who knows where that's going to go down in the future. So Cessna starting here with the Turbo SKYLANE in the venerable 182 airframe and incorporating this technology into it. You can basically take the performance parameters that the whole industry has grown used to in the Turbo SKYLANE, which are just awesome, frankly, and then you've got the fuel efficiency of this diesel engine, which at 90% power, you're looking at about 10.5 or 11 gallons is all, with the same speeds that you're used to in the Turbo SKYLANE of about 156 knots. Really, the only difference you can tell by looking at the outside of this airplane versus a Turbo 182 is in the forward nose section. It's got an all-composite cowl, and you can tell too, there's much more space between this baffle and the firewall. And what that also means is less maintenance cost, because when you go for an oil change or what have you, and by the way, the oil change, instead of 50 hours, now they're out to 100 hours. So you've got reduced maintenance costs that way, you've got reduced fuel consumption, and there's much more ease of maintenance behind the engine itself. The other interesting thing about this engine is this diesel engine was specifically made for aviation purposes versus some other attempts in the past that were converted automotive engines into the aviation uses. That's not the case here. This is a specifically designed aviation engine for these purposes. That being said, it is a direct drive engine, so there's no gear reduction boxes and things that could potentially happen as far as that's concerned. So it's very safe and simple in that regard. There's a single lever inside, so there's no messing with mixture controls, there's no having to worry about the propeller control. It's a constant speed composite prop, but you just have one power lever, and it's got an electronic controller that takes care of the rest. You set whatever power setting you want, whether that's 90%, 80%, what have you, and instead of a manifold pressure gauge, you have a percent of power gauge. And then what that's going to do for you, the computer takes over and sets the correct mixture for the engine and sets the correct propeller setting at the same time that you're looking for that power. With that, there's a mechanical backup. So what's important about that is that for whatever reason that you were to have problems with that computer, or that computer were to fail, the fact that it's mechanical backup, you're not going over to your emergency battery bus. So that means you're still saving all of your standby power for when you might need that. So it's a simple system, which means reduced maintenance costs for you, ease of use, and frankly safety at the end of the day. For more detailed information on the SKYLANE JTA, go to Cessna Aircraft's website for that. Also, kansasaircraft.com. Please contact us for more information. Cessna has the demonstrators hitting the skies literally as we speak, and we're more than happy to show you the airplane, show you around the factory and Independence, and all the excitement that's going on there. So please contact us at Kansas Aircraft for more information.